What is passive income? Passive income is money that is usually, but not always, received regularly without any or only little effort. What is so fascinating about it? Well, everyone wants to earn a passive income so they can retire rich and enjoy their lives. Now, there are different types and degrees of passive income, which we'll get into. Making money while you sleep is just another fancy term for passive income. By building different sources of passive income, you can earn a good amount of money regularly from work that is already completed, such as royalties from books. But to achieve that financial freedom, you need to leverage your time and effort to create multiple passive income streams that will continue to grow in the future. This pandemic has had an incredibly negative impact on the economy and livelihoods. If you're one of the millions of Americans who lost their jobs, it might be time to start earning passive income. Here is the list of the best passive income ideas and opportunities that can boost your income in 2021. Passive income through stock investment. Owning stocks and bonds to many doesn't seem like one of the best passive income ideas. Yet this is the very basis of private retirement accounts. You're buying stocks, bonds, and mutual funds that contain both so that you can live off the passive income in retirement. Companies need money to finance their business, so they earn it by either borrowing or sharing stocks through an IPO. An initial public offering, IPO, refers to the process of offering shares of a private corporation to the public in a new stock issuance. Investing in stocks of a company, you become one of its owners. When the market is down, this is the best time to buy stocks. If you aggressively save money and seek good value, dividend-paying stocks, you may be able to achieve a solid passive income before the traditional retirement age. Diversify your holdings to reduce the risk of losing everything because a company cratered. We have separated this from investment in bonds because of the nature of the two. It was mentioned that this is a share of ownership of a certain entity. Some entities pay their stockholders every quarter, so it is an excellent way of making a living without doing anything. But you have to be careful in choosing the company to invest in. Passive income through cashback websites. Earning passive income through cashback websites is as passive an income method as any. You just need to go about your life as you normally would, but with a little more focus on the things that you decide to buy. Cashback websites combine spending money with earning money. This may not be considered something that will help you go to early retirement, but you can still earn money with no effort required from you. Not to mention that this is completely free. All you have to do is sign up for cashback on shopping websites. These shopping portals return to members a percentage of the total amount that they spend on their qualifying purchases. For example, you can use Swagbucks to get cashback. Just use its shopping portal to buy items online, or add the Swagbucks browser plugin to get points automatically as you browse the web. According to the company, it has paid out over $400 million to members. Countless members have earned as much as $12,000 using Swagbucks. It is even a safe way for teens to make a little pocket money. Top Cashback is slightly different, as they give the full commission back to customers and make their money elsewhere. You're able to earn 3% consistently, which may not sound like much, but is a high percentage to be earned across all sites. There are also coupons you can find and special offers that give higher cashback. Selling stock photos online. Stock photos can be a good passive income source if you love to take tons of pictures. You can get paid to sell photos online through stock photography websites such as Shutterstock. The photos can be from any niche such as travel, food, or any sports that you like to cover. You can put your images for sale as an independent photographer on various stock photography websites. While this can take time to build up if you take thousands of good pictures, but you would enjoy the whole process and time spent if love taking photos. After all, one of the goals of financial independence is to build wealth that doesn't eat up your time, so you can enjoy life and do the things you like to do. This is a great passive income idea because it pays you to do what you want to do anyway. Here are some of the best stock photography sites where you can sell your images and photos online for passive income. You can open an account and get started creating this passive income stream. Deposit Photos, SmugMug Pro, Shutterstock, Pixabay, iStockPhoto, Etsy, Getty Images, Stocksy, Adobe Stock. 2020. Amazon FBA. Amazon has become a great source of passive income for people who want to generate extra income for themselves. If you have something to sell online, you can use Amazon's platform. Amazon is huge. It's the third biggest website in the US. Amazon also offers a couple of different fulfillment strategies, such as the Fulfillment by Amazon platform, also known as FBA. Its FBA program is just like eBay, where you have something to sell and just need to find buyers. The major benefit of using FBA is that you don't have to worry about a thing. Amazon stores your inventory at their massive warehouses and does all of the picking, packing, and shipping. Around the world, Amazon has more than 175 fulfillment centers which contain more than 150 million square feet of storage space. With FBA, you get to store your stuff on those shelves. You also get Amazon's world-class customer service and returns, along with other advantages, like automatic Prime eligibility and free Super Saver shipping, that help you scale your business fast. Starting a blog and monetizing it. The passive income through blogging has allowed many to stop exchanging time for money. For example, as a travel blogger, you can set up a WordPress blog and share your experiences with your readers. Whenever you go to a new place, you can write about all the cool things you saw and did there. You can make money in a few different ways. You can apply for ad programs like Google AdSense. If any of them click through, you will get a small fee from your advertising partner like Google. You can and set them up on the sidebar of your site. If any of them click through, you will get a small fee from your advertising partner like Google. You can also sign up for some of the affiliate programs. Affiliate marketing. Blogging is often seen as a great way to earn almost passive income. If you run a blog and get decent traffic, you can incorporate ads to your site and get paid per click or view on each ad. If you have a lot of traffic, this can add up to a decent chunk of change. Basically, affiliate marketing involves promoting products and getting a cut of sales. All you have to do is put a link to a product on your blog, website, or social media page and then start earning money. This isn't completely passive income. You have to create content that will attract enough viewers for the ad revenue on the blog to be worth the effort. You have to write content, but you can hire others to write content for you, as well. You can use software to schedule posts to be published when your readers expect new content. General ad revenue for blogs has been declining due to sheer competition. The alternative for bloggers is affiliating the blog. For example, a mommy blogger could be paid to review various baby products, though she's legally required to disclose the relationship. You could mention sponsors and post a link to their site or products for sale. On the other hand, you could do it yourself, doing product reviews, and sharing affiliate links to the product Amazon. Then you receive a few % of every sale as a commission. This is one of the best passive income ideas for those blogging consistently about a topic for which they can recommend related products. This is one of the passive income ideas that do not require any investment from you. This would be an excellent money-making venture, especially if you already have an existing website and a band of loyal followers. In this scenario, you post a link that will send the viewer to a certain website where they can buy the item. If they do purchase, you get a commission. Renting your car. You can make passive income from renting your secondary car on popular car rental apps that put car owners in touch with car renters. You can offer a slight discount to increase your car's demand and set a minimum amount of rental days to ensure you get more money for your time. So, this is one of the most passive ways you can make an extra income online at the moment. If you have a car you can rent for cash, you can make several $100s a month renting your car on those platforms. For example, GetAround is a car-sharing app that allows car owners to connect to people who need to rent a vehicle. Similarly, you can cover your monthly car payments. That is a pretty good return since you can recover the entire cost of your car over a period of several months. Note that there are many things you can monetize this way. Not just a car. Depending on where you live, you could rent out your parking space for the money. You may be able to rent out tools that you own. The questions you have to ask are what you are willing to lend out and what demand for these items is like in your area. That's it for today. If you liked the video, make sure to like and subscribe, and press that bell icon so you never miss any updates from our channel. Thank you.